Hello students, this is the exercise number 12 from the legal dictations on the speed of 80 words per minute. Start. It was further pointed out that even though the petitioner was advised to improve interpersonal relationship and teamwork skills, her overall assessment was evaluated as very good. The next component of the writ petition is devoted to the allegations levelled against respondent number 3, Justice A. It is asserted that on 8th September 2011, the wife of the Chief Judicial Magistrate of X called the petitioner on her landline. During her conversation, she informed the petitioner that respondent number 3, Justice A, was eager that the petitioner should perform a dance on an item song on the occasion of Ladies Sangeet on 10th December 2011 during the festivities of the 25th marriage anniversary of respondent number 3. It is also the assertion of the petitioner that she politely refused the invitation by giving out that she had prior commitments for that date. It is sought to be asserted by the petitioner that for reasons of official protocol, she felt compelled to attend the main marriage anniversary celebration scheduled for 11th December. It is pointed out that she ventured to do so in the company of her two daughters. It is alleged by the petitioner that on 11th December 2011, respondent number 3, Justice A, came close to her and whispered in her ear that she missed the opportunity of viewing her secretary and beautiful figure dancing on the floor. It is the petitioner's assertion that respondent number 3 also told the petitioner that he wished she could see her dancing. The petitioner claims that she was appalled by the above behavior of respondent number 3 and therefore she left the party along with her two daughters with tears in her eyes. The factual position narrated above pertaining to the telephonic conversation with the wife of the Chief Judicial Magistrate has been denied by respondent number 3. For this, respondent number 3 has appended the affidavit of the wife of the Chief Judicial Magistrate as Annexure R16 with his counter affidavit. In her affidavit, it is inter alia asserted that she had neither called the petitioner on 8th December 2011 nor had she told the petitioner that respondent number 3, Justice A, was eager to watch her perform a dance on an item song. The other assertions at the behest of the petitioner narrated in the foregoing paragraph have been denied by respondent number 3.